DJ John Ray.
Hi guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong Platinum Picky Audio Mate. Ito yung smallest portable Bluetooth speaker ni Platinum. Maliit lang siya. Maliit lang siya guys. Tapos ito yung kanyang specs. IPX5 water resistant, built-in microphone for HD call, dustproof, 10 hours playtime at 80% volume, sturdy and portable, weight only 83 grams, Type-C charging port, clip, 1-year warranty. Platinum Picky Audio Mate clip Bluetooth speaker, crystal clear sound, water resistant, portable, trendy. So yun guys, i-unbox natin itong Platinum Picky Mate the compact clip Bluetooth speaker. So let's go, unbox natin. Wala akong holder ng cellphone, nasira. So waiting natin yung guys, yung tawag dito, piano 4K na dumating. So unbox natin yung 128 gig tsaka liit. Wow, sobrang super liit So ito yung kasama niya, Type-C to USB cord, warranty card. Ito na talaga siya guys, sobrang liit niya, nakaka-amaze ito sobrang liit. Clip siya, sobrang liit So meron siyang parang ito PK, ito PK Platinum. Ito yung kanyang USB charging port. Ito charging port Type-C. Yung kanyang clip. So meron siyang dito guys, ito output 3 watts. So on natin.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Wow, galing niyang masalita Wait, connect natin sa cellphone. Bluetooth. Ito, Platinum Mate.
Paired successfully.
Yan, connect na. Tapos YouTube tayo. So yun guys, sobrang liit niya, malakas naman siya. Yung tunog niya is parang tunog ng TV, yung malakas naka full, yun yung tunog niya. So okay naman siya sa pang kwarto lang. Kung gusto mo yung may pa music, pwede mo siyang ikabit sa 10 hours playtime daw siya. Ito 10 hours playtime. So ayun guys, ito si Platinum Mate, the smallest portable speaker of Platinum Karaoke. So ayun, so maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe. Marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shellos Channel.